Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set third-person view in Call of Duty Mobile. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Call of Duty mobile application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Call of Duty if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have your achievements. And in the bottom right corner, we have the store. Also in the top right corner, we have the, of course, settings and the start in the bottom right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set third person view in Call of Duty Mobile. So first of all, to set third view TPP in Call of Duty, you follow these 5 steps. So the first step is to launch the game on your device, as I told you in the start of the video. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu, like so. Now, select the basic tab from the left hand menu. Then scroll down to find the camera settings section. When you scroll down and find that, you need to select third person perspective. This will enable third person view in game, or of course TPP, however you want to go and call it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.